Replace Style is a plugin which can help you to change styles of pipeline networks less than a minute. First of all, you need to click on Eneca tab and open plugin. Let's choose non-pressure pipeline network called K1. Pipe style will be double line for sanitary sewer. Structure style will be structure outline. By clicking on Replace button, you can see all styles of this pipeline network had changed. Now we will choose K2 storm sewer network. Pipe style will be single line for storm sewer. Structure style will be basic. Click on Replace. All styles of this network had changed. The last one will be pressure pipeline network called B1. Let's choose double line pipe style. Fittings will be fitting style and valves will be valve. Here you can see pressure pipeline networks with new pipes and fittings styles.